Hello, welcome to our Zoom for today. We're still working on standard 8.3, a combination of constructive and destructive geological processes have formed Earth's surface. So right here you have a topography map. And the question is, an interval is the amount between one line and the next. What is the interval between contour lines? So you would pick two lines that are next to each other and then subtract them. Go ahead and pause the video and figure out the answer. The answer is 1,000. All right, so the contour line, the interval between contour lines is 1,000 for this. You see down here, there's a scale that could tell you, this is 20 miles from there to there. So if you look at this map, this would be about 80 miles across or so, maybe 100. You could get it out a ruler and make it exact. So that was Wednesday's due now. Thursday's due now is right here with the topography map. So if you look at this, you need to draw a picture of what a topography map would look like. This is Mount Valhalla in my classroom. So go ahead and pause the video and draw what you think it would look like. Okay, this is what it would look like. So you're looking straight down on it like this picture here on the right. You'd have the small cup circle, then you have the larger circle, then you have a square, then you have another square. And then I had to show the side angle, this picture here, so you could see the line that was across the bottom. Now, if I were to give these values, I could say this would be 0. That didn't work, sorry. That could be a 0. That would be 300. Bear with my writing, sorry, it's kind of hard to do that. And then this would be 600. And then this would be 900. So this interval, this contour interval, and then this would be 1,200. Now those are not the same numbers that are on the Mount Valhalla over there. I'm just making these a little bit more simple for you to see the contour interval of this one. So that would be 300 for the contour interval. All right, so now the next one that we would look at, here's a glacier. I don't know how to get that writing off. There we go. So this question is, which glacier or which geologic process directly forms beaches on the shores of a bay? So the correct answer here, go ahead, pause and write what you think it is. Correct answer is D, sediment deposition. That's one of our vocab words. Sediment deposition is when sand or rocks or weathered material is transported and builds up in another location. So it's when it's all dropped off, and that would be what a beach is. Questions on that? Okay, and then we have our Throwback Thursday. Which station will record the fewer waves than the other? This is review from our last content. Layers of the Earth. The correct answer for this one would be 2. Stations 2 and stations 3 would feel the fewest amount of waves. And that is because we have a solid inner core, right? And then we have the liquid outer core. So when these waves travel, when they hit the inner core, they're going to reflect straight back. When those waves hit the liquid outer core, they're going to refract in a different direction. When the P waves and S waves just travel through the mantle, they're going to get there pretty quickly, traveling in all the different directions. So that's our Throwback Thursday. Today, you are completing the Google Classroom. You are completing assignment 3B as in boy, which is on glaciers, and you need to answer those questions. Remember to open it up and make a copy of it. And then make sure you're keeping track of your progress on, I'm going to share that. Keep track of your progress on the progress monitoring sheet. Let me pull that up. So you have your progress monitoring sheet. So this is bell 8-9. So at the bottom, you would pull up your name, your bell 8-9, and you would see what you have gotten done. So right here, Shawnee has gotten everything done. Great job. Sana has the first part done. You still need to do Ed Puzzle, the erosion and deposition that's in Google Classroom. You click on the Ed Puzzle link and you'll find it there. And then yesterday you had to do the Geology Stations Lab. Today you're doing 3B Glaciers, Rivers of Ice. And then tomorrow you're taking the assessment in GradeCam. Make sure you log in and take that. Review your vocab before you take that and the do nows. Have a great day. Subscribe and like. See ya.